Hello viewers, if you are looking for a tutorial to know that how to use VPN in Android phone completely free, then you are at right place. Now I will show you that how to use VPN at Android phone which is completely free. First of all, go to Play Store, then at the search box type TURBO Turbo VPN. Turbo VPN. So result showing. Click on install. As you see that already 48% completed. So after complete this percentage, then I will show that how to use it. If you want to use the free version, then obviously ad will show, but there has some protocols. If you maintain, then you will see the less ad and very effective, can manage effectively. But you have to remember that this is the free version, so there has might few limitation, like you will not use all country in free version. I open it. So this is the first interface of Turbo VPN, which will show you that 7 days trial. If you want to use the first free trial, then please not click on this blue icon in below center point. If you click here, then you have to type email and it will not work properly. So rather I'm clicking on right top cross icon. You show that now showing the tab to connect. Before that, I would like to show you that which countries are now eligible. Click on right top. You see that this location I can use in free version. United States, Germany. Let's check with Germany. Server is full now. Please refresh. That means we can use this, but not now. These are the free. I'm choosing this. Okay. Now connecting. If you try many VPN apps, you will understand that many apps not work properly. But I got these apps very effectively work. Now this is the ad. Didn't connect, you will show that. Let's see. I skip that. Now it's showing that it's connected. Now I will verify that is it really working or not. Now go to home page. So this is the mobile home page. Now go to Google, open the Chrome. I'm taking a new tab, typing what is my IP. What is my IP? What is my IP? I want to know the detail, that's why I'm clicking on a specific URL. What is my IP address? you may see that the what is my IP address.com page is open, and here is showing that my location. This is my IP address, and this is the location near to New Jersey. So as per the apps, it's supposed to be in US, so it's working, really working. So in this way you can use this free VPN and enjoy the facilities of VPN through all over the internet. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.